everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a super exciting video because this is a video all about insert name here. This is a video actually done in collaboration with them. Not like a monetary collaboration, but they did reach out to me. And of course, I was so excited because you guys know, if you've seen my Ariana Grande inspired makeup tutorial, I have the Miya pony and I love this guy. I talk about everything in the video, just stay tuned. And yeah, I am so excited to be working with insert name here on a video showing you guys this pony. I will show you how I apply it, its features, its benefits, price, all that good stuff. And I am so excited to share with you that I have a discount code with insert name here. It's not an affiliate code or anything, just use it and you'll save some money at checkout. It saves you 10% if you use the code AshleyB in all caps. I will put that down below. Everything is listed down below. Thank you, insert name here, for sending me this to review for my followers and my subscribers, my small family that I have here. But we're a tight-knit community, you and I. So yeah, I absolutely love this ponytail. I just feel like a whole new woman. You'll see me apply it. It's just so fun and so easy, and I feel so sassy and fun. And
do I know any other adjectives? No, I don't.
If you want to see me apply this guy, talk all about it, don't forget to please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you know when I post, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get on into it. Okay, so currently this is my hair right now down, and just to give you a little bit of context about my hair, I have really thick, straight hair, prone to getting oily, but it's very sleek. Not sleek, I don't want to like pretend like I'm bragging, but the texture usually is pretty silky. I am prone to getting flyaways and frizz, especially living in the desert. Vegas, it's very dry here. I'm going to show you how I apply this ponytail and how easy it can really be. So when you get your product, it comes in a bigger bag, but this is a satin bag that they recommend you keep it in. And I think it's great because the satin, I think, eliminates the frizz and the flyaways from the pony itself. Open it. This is how I store my bag. It comes in a little net, but as you can see, of course, I've already tried this on before I did this video. And this is what Brit looks like. She's really cute. You can see it because it's made of synthetic hairs. It's really soft and it mimics the feel of natural hair, but you can still, of course, brush it. When I brush it, because I don't want to really rip it, I like to hold it like this from the bottom, and I'll just brush lightly with my brush. Really soft, long strokes. And you also can heat style this up to a certain temperature, but I choose not to. Now this is Brit. Let me go grab my Miya, which I will insert a photo of me wearing that here. Just to kind of show you, this is Miya in dark brown. You can kind of see the difference in color and in texture. Miya is like their classic, like straight pony, and then Brit's like one of their newer ones. It's got a little bit of a wave, a little bit of a curl, comes pre-styled, and I think this is super cute. And as you can see, this matches like my lightened hair better, whereas Miya matches my roots better. So I kind of wanted it in both shades when insert name here was really kind enough to offer to send one to me. I asked for it in mixed brown as opposed to dark brown because I already had Miya in dark brown. I will say the texture feels a little bit different. I feel like Brit actually almost feels a little bit softer than Miya, but Miya still feels really nice, and this is also really easy to apply. I've worn this on so many occasions. I've worn this to a Gwen Stefani concert. I wore this out on my birthday, just out on the town, like really fun stuff. It is so easy, and it just gives like instant like love. I don't know. And I think this was actually the pony, the exact one, Miya in dark brown, that Ariana Grande wore in her In My Head video that she did for Vogue. And obviously she is like the pony queen. I mean, like literally no one can beat her when it comes to a ponytail. And I'm a huge Ariana Grande fan. Proof is right here. I'm obsessed with her. I listen to her every single day. I love her so very much. So yes, paying homage to the queen right here. And so when you open this package, when you first get it, it does come with instructions. I don't have that for you today because I'm going to be demonstrating that, but it's very simple, very easy. Both of these are very high quality, very easy to use. And I think they really, this brand as a whole, and I've obviously bought that Miya pony like last summer. I even did an Ariana Grande inspired makeup tutorial using that pony before this brand even knew who I was, and I'm so grateful they decided to reach out because I really do believe that they're revolutionizing the extension faux hair kind of industry for us millennials. at an affordable price. I had never really heard of a ponytail brand or an extension brand or something like that sort until I heard of Insert Name Here about a year ago when they had started. And I was like, oh, you know, because they're the founders of that brand work at ColourPop, and I love ColourPop. So social media just has this really amazing way of just bringing everything together and networking and sharing all this amazing new cool stuff. So yeah, I just love how high quality they are and how affordable they are. You can get this for $49, and they have a bunch of shades on the website, and I know that you can be apprehensive buying something online. I DM'd them and I was like, I don't know what shade I am, and they helped me pick mixed brown because I told them I wanted to match my hair for this pony. They have amazing customer service. They get back to you super quickly. So if you need help color matching, just reach out to them and they'll hook you up. Okay, so I'm going to actually demonstrate how I put this bad boy on right here. I should say bad girl because it's Brit. First of all, you want to just make sure that you kind of smooth it out as best as you can. It really does look like natural hair, and it kind of mimics the feel of natural hair. So I just like to brush it ever so slightly and just smooth it with my fingers. And the next thing I do is I will take my hairbrush. I use the wet brush, and I will just do a high pony, just brush this out. You want to make sure that you have a really good hair tie, one that really just locks your hair in place. I just use this one. It's like a standard black, medium-sized hair tie. I brush my hair through, and this is really key for me because I need something that will hold my hair very tightly together and very securely. So I will just brush my hair like this. I'm actually going to back out a little bit more so you can see me in frame. So I will just take my hair like this, and I will flip my hair like this to put it in said high ponytail. Now you may think your hair, Ashley, it's long. And yes, it is, but when I do the difference, like, let me just show you what it looks like before, because in order to do this, you should put your hair in a ponytail. If you have shorter, finer hair, they suggest that you put it into a bun, but because I have thick, long hair, I am going to put it into a ponytail. Now, this is key because obviously you need to have your hair up before you put in your extension. So I'm just going to brush it upside down like this, just so that everything is in place. I'm going to gather my hair like this, and just don't worry about how doofy you look, because the higher the better. Of course, you can do it any way you want, but I'm just going to brush my hair like this while I have it collected. And of course you're gonna have bumpies, don't worry about that, but we will smooth those out and work on those later. And now I have a lot of baby hairs, so my ponytail will always have baby hairs. Just see how I'm like trying to do it for you. It just is always a hot mess. So I am just grabbing my hair like this, putting it into the tightest and highest ponytail possible, grabbing the elastic and securing it like this. And for me personally, doing my hair upside down really allows gravity to help do the work and really just let the ponytail stay up top. So this is what it looks like before. Now, as you can see, it's cute, right? It doesn't obviously have as much volume as it's about to, but this is what it looks like right now with absolutely no extensions. It doesn't fall below my shoulder length, which is cute again for some looks, but for this look, this is gonna be a before. Okay, and of course you can do it low, you can do it high, but I am just showing you guys the high pony because I feel like that's like the classic. Don't mind my necklace. I know it was on my chest, but it fell off because it wasn't like the highest quality. Anyway, so now I'm just going to take this right here. This is the Brit Pony, and you can see right here, there are these little claws that are going to clip directly into your hair. Now, every pony that you buy comes with 2 bobby pins as well, which are going to be really helpful to secure this little wrap around to conceal your hair tie in the back. And now I am just going to take this claw right here, and you're going to want to stick that directly on your scalp right where your hair tie is. So obviously you should look in a mirror to do this to ensure you're doing it right. So I'm just going to plug that in right here, and you can see this is where the Velcro is, and that's so that you can wrap this around. And you wrap this around the Velcro to ensure that it's concealed but that it's holding your faux pony together with your real pony. And then this is where the bobby pins come into play. So I'm going to take a bobby pin. I'm just going to pin that directly back here against my scalp where that tail ends. And then just to be safe, I'm going to take another bobby pin because they give you two. And I'm going to plug that in and do it there. And voila, this is pretty much the gist of it. Obviously you can see my roots are darker, but I like this because the ends of my hair are lighter. I don't really have to worry about my ponytail like not blending in with my real hair. So I really like this. And of course, if I want to go dark brown, I will go ahead and reach for my Miya. Now is when I would fix up my hair. And when I say fix up, you can either, you know, like gel it all back so that you don't have baby hairs, conceal your bald spots, whatever. I personally do not like to gel my hair all the way back like Ari. I think her hair is perfect and her hairline's perfect for that. My hairline's a little bit uneven, so I don't like to draw attention to that. So what I like to do here is I like to take the Essence Make Me Brow Duo Eyebrow Powder. It looks like this, and I'll just take any old brush. Which brush should I take? I can take this brush right here. It's a duo fiber brush from e.l.f. And I'm just going to mix these together and just start painting my hairline like so. This will just make it a little bit less conspicuous that my hairline is uneven. And then, even though I don't want it to be like fully just like on tight, I'm going to take a little bit of a gel, an eyebrow gel. And I kind of do want to take my flyaways a little bit, so I'm going to take this NYX brow gel in the shade Black. And I'm just going to actually do this, which is a fun trick I like doing. I like to just pin this back like this, my baby hairs, so it looks a little bit more concealed as well. You can do this anywhere. And then I look like Jimmy Neutron. This is totally optional. I'm just showing you what I'm doing after. I'm going to actually take a bobby pin and pin these baby hairs back to conceal that bald spot right there. And then another bobby pin here just to conceal this side a little bit. Totally optional. And yeah, this is like a very like messy top, if you will, but I personally like it more for my hair and my style. I think it just helps it look not super duper perfect. But yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. I love it, and as you can see, it was really easy. The first couple times, I'm not gonna lie, you might have to try it a little bit, especially when you're getting it for the first time, just so that you can get used to the product and how it performs. As you can see, it goes all the way down, like literally right at my boob, and I love the curled ends. Let me just kind of stand up and show you what it looks like from a larger perspective. You can see it really just adds a really fun element. This is so cute, kind of like flirty and girly. I don't know, I really like it, and I love that with this one in particular, I don't have to worry about really my ends. All right, you guys, and that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed my demo, my review of the Brit Pony. This is what she looks like. So cute, so fun. You can't really see my natural hair, which is the best part about this whole thing, and this is what it looks like when I am standing. I love this, and I think, like, honestly, when I have a pony on like this, it just takes my mood from like this to this. And honestly, sometimes that is really just the only confidence boost you need. It's really weird, but putting on a pony and just feeling like you can like rule the world, I don't know, I personally love it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much to Insert Name here for sending me this pony to try out and demo for you guys. I love this. Again, this is Brit in Mixed Brown. Super high quality, very easy to apply, affordable, good stuff. Ariana even wore it in a music video. I mean, it's just freaking awesome. And don't forget that you can ask them to color match you, DM them on Instagram. I will have their info down below, along with my discount code. Ashley B in all caps at the checkout will save you 10% on anything. So yeah, if you've been wanting to try this, it's affordable. It's $49 as is. Go ahead and use that checkout code and you'll save even more money. And yeah, this is Miya again. She is the OG. I think she was like the first product or one of the first things that Insert Name here offered. But yeah, they have ponies, they have buns, bangs, extensions like human hair extensions, synthetic extensions, wigs, and I think they actually just released colorful extensions and wigs too. So go check them out, find your alter ego, have some fun, honestly, especially with what's going on in the world right now with coronavirus and this pandemic, they're advising to quarantine. And honestly, my form of therapy and quarantining is doing my makeup, having fun, really expressing myself through hair and makeup is my form of therapy, and it really just brings me a lot of peace and a lot of fun as well. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Everything will be listed in the description box below, and yeah, I love you guys. Thank you for watching for the millionth time. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, please, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye!